Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to access the controller's web page to view information, check diagnostics, and perform various configuration tasks. To do this, your computer must be connected to the controller through an Internet cable and be on the same network as the controller. Once the connection is established, open your preferred web browser and enter the PLC's IP address in your search bar. So let's do that right now. In this example, the IP address is 192.168.14.56. After accessing the page, you'll be able to view a variety of information about the controller, including the controller model, firmware version, bootloader version, processor versions, and the current system status. You can also check whether the application is stopped or running, see which version of master-tool was used for the last download, and view diagnostic information such as forced values or detected USB devices. On the second tab, which is the Management tab, you can log in using the default credentials, which are admin for the username and also admin for the password. After logging in, you have access to several configuration options. These include system settings, firmware updates, real-time clock configuration, network settings, SNMP configuration, USB device settings, firewall configuration, OpenVPN settings, FTP server configuration, and memory card management. The controller's web interface provides a convenient way to monitor the system and perform administrative tasks directly from a web browser without needing to access the PLC through the programming software. This is it for today's video, and I see you on the next one.